Do you want to know how to change password in Notion? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your password in Notion. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Notion app on your laptop. Once you do that, go ahead, give your credentials, then sign in into your Notion account. Now on the top left corner of your screen, you're going to see your username, and right beside it will be a small drop down menu. Tap on it, then go to settings. Under settings, you're going to see options like your name, my account, settings, my notifications, etc. You're going to have to go ahead and select my account, then tap on change password right beside the password option. Once you do that, it's going to ask you to type in your current password. Go ahead and type in your current password, then create a new password. Once you do that, go ahead and confirm your new password. Then tap on change password, then you'll successfully change your password on Notion. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.